and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour.
$half and... Whoa!
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County and south central Pennsylvania, southeastern New York County and south central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. at 3:07 p.m. Severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County and south central Pennsylvania, southeastern New York County and south central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. at 3:07 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Gap to Quarryville to Whiteford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Wakefield, Quarryville. This will impact the following major roads: Route 30, Route 222, Route 322, State Road 41. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within this line of storms near Delta and Quarryville. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Saturday evening for central Pennsylvania.
Doubleheader.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay, north of Pools Island, Maryland.
The
Tasco River, including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Choptank River until 5:15 p.m. at 3:05 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 50 knots from 20 nautical miles north of Susquehanna Flats to 23 nautical miles southwest of Hanover Street Bridge, moving east to 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Havre de Grace, Middle River, Baltimore Inner Harbor, Riviera Beach, Thomas Point Light, wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
Relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The severe thunderstorm warning is canceled for Eastern Maryland because mostly prompted. The warning has exited the warned area. Thus, the severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for Baltimore and Harford counties. At 3:05 p.m., severe thunderstorm